She's coming in. She's coming. Okay, then we'll take the picture.
Farzad asked Yatin also to come.
Shibani, why don't you join them outside if you're ready?
Are come? Take the pictures.
Camera look.
Do you want to go and send them? Someone else can.
Camera look.
Come, please join.
We'll take the whole team का picture.
हाँ, we will.
पहले आप ले लो फिर बाद में हम.
Hi.
पहले
Hi,
भाई.
Shibani. How are you, Baba?
No, लेकिन ये
Because sir,
You called her?
it was ripped so beautifully. Now she started saying that.
अनीशा जी, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे आज इतने खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं. एमीज डिजाइन ब्यूटीफुल आउटफिट्स. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज? क्या ओकेजन क्या है आज?
आज मेरे झालावाड़ जनका का वेरी बिग प्रोग्राम और इनको देख के ना मुझे कॉम्प्लेक्स हो रहा है कि मेरी लड़कियां इतनी अच्छी लग रही है. दे आर लुकिंग फेबुलस, सुपर्ब दिख रही है और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी देम.
झालावाड़ी महिला मंदिर जो समाज है,
हाँ, हमारे झालावाड़ी में 40 इयर्स कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं और उनमें हमारे 2 ग्रुप है. उसमें एक कपल ग्रुप है, एक लेडीज का ग्रुप है. लेकिन आज तक दोनों ने साथ में प्रोग्राम नहीं किए थे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम कि हमारा दोनों को साथ में प्रोग्राम हो रहा है और इसमें हमारी सब यंग लड़कियां पार्टिसिपेट हो रही है. सो एवरीवन इज सो हैप्पी कि इतने खुश है कि भाई ये प्रोग्राम से हम लोग को प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है.
हर साल आप कुछ अलग करते हैं. इस साल क्या स्पेशल है फंक्शन? एमी का शो है, जाकी बगनानी जी बताइए.
हाँ, जैकी जी आए हैं, वासु जी आए हैं, सरोज खान जी को हमने जज के हिसाब से बुलाया है और संदीप सुपारकर जी है, सुहानी कश्यप. ये एमी है तो सब है ही. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी और हम लोग सोचते हैं कि इससे भी कुछ आगे करो. ये प्रोग्राम हमारा इतना हिट गया है कि भी हमारे जो कमेटी मेंबर्स है और ट्रस्टीज है वो सोच रहे हैं कि हम हर साल ऐसे प्रोग्राम करेंगे.
और क्या क्या है? फैशन शो है, परफॉर्मेंसेज है और क्या?
हाँ, नहीं, हमारे 10 ग्रुप्स है, 10 ग्रुप्स के डांसेस है. साथ में हमने उनकी छोटी छोटी क्लिप्स बनाई है और वो वीडियो क्लिपिंग हम हर घर गए थे और वहाँ हमने वीडियो क्लिपिंग निकाली है. जो पर्सनली जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स है वो डायरेक्टली ऑडियंस से कनेक्ट हो सके, इसीलिए हमने एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट लिया था. और 10 डांसेस है और फैशन शो है.
एमी, दे ऑल आर लुकिंग लवली. कितना चैलेंजिंग था? नॉन मॉडल्स जो अभी सब मॉडल्स लग रहे हैं, वी कांट रियली इवन टेल. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट द होल प्रिपरेशन?
Well, it's been just an amazing teamwork. Firstly, तो मैंने ये शो सिर्फ और सिर्फ मनीषा आंटी के लिए किया है because she is almost like family. She has been wearing my clothes for more than 2 decades, I guess. And so this show is actually dedicated to Manisha aunty.
Thank you so much.
Okay, and the models are just looking lovely. I'm going to call them models because they are not my real life brides, but they're actual models today. And a very big thank you to Shakir because he's groomed them up so amazingly well that today when they're walking, it's just going to look as if models are walking. And my dearest friend Shibani Kashyap, the rock star, who's going to perform. Specially, she's woken up in the morning and come for me. And also Sandeep Soparkar, very, very big thank you. So I'm just so excited.
Amy, the jewelry is also looking lovely, matching. What went into put up the whole show together?
Actually, Shilpi and Priya, they have designed such amazing stuff, and without coordination we have done the looks in about 5 minutes, so hats off to their jewelry. It's very stunning. Everyone is appreciating them, and I think that's what dressing up as a bride is all about. It's about coordinating your look, your hair, your makeup. Yatin has done the most amazing looks for hair and makeup, and I think today what we've done, Meghna, my hairdresser, amazing stuff. The whole teamwork is fabulous. My PR, Parul Chawla, thank you to all of you. I think this entire show is teamwork, and where there is amazing teamwork, I'm sure we're going to rock.
I mean, there's always a theme to your show. So today, as Manisha ji just said, there's complete, everybody's excited. So what is the whole concept today behind, are they young brides or what do
they are all to be brides. And it's so much fun dressing up youngsters because they are so creative, they are so at it, and they have so much of zest, and they are at everything, like my hair and my makeup and my this, and they've really practiced a lot They've put in so much of hard work. I think it's all going to show on the ramp. So just let's wait for the show to begin.
I would like to ask you what has gone into being dressing up, feeling like a model. क्या लग रहा है आपको? क्या what are
Every single thing has been handled by them. We said we just gave ourselves up. Do what you want to do.
So
And
how
we're
does
ready.
it feel to be
आज मेरी बहू नहीं लग रही आज मुझे.
आपने बता दिया नहीं तो हमने मॉडल समझ लिया. How do you feel being dressing when you see fashion shows and
We're supposed to be brides. We feel like princesses. We've just stood out there and they've all gone zap.
You know how it is? It's like we've picked up looks together. I have my friend who's a stylist, Josie. She's put up, like, everything is so well coordinated, my jewelry, my styling, my team who's helping backstage, my girls. I think it's just fabulous. You're going to rock.
Anybody else wants to share an experience today, how it has been to be a model and feel like anybody would add anything? Would you like to say something?
I think it's been really amazing. We have, as Kalash very rightly said, that we didn't have to do much. We just had to go with the flow because they have done all the hard work. And I think we have realized that, we look at models, the real life models, and we all just think, oh wow, they're so pretty and they roam around like dolls, but it's not true. You can't sit, you can't go to the washroom, you have to stand the way you have to stand. So I think, this is one of the way we all realize that everyone in every industry works really hard. And then it's because of that the entire show comes up so beautifully. So I think it's been a very nice experience. And the way we look at designers now and models now has really changed.
आप एक inspiration रहे हैं आपने सबको. You put such a wonderful show. आप audience को क्या कहना चाहेंगे आगे?
मेरे ये शो के पीछे पूरा support my mom and my husband. My husband give me a lot of support. Okay, do whatever you want to do, I'm there. So I'm very happy, and my mother says, you do for my Mahila Mandal, I did for her only. And my husband gave me a lots of support, and even Amy gave me a lots of support, and that's why I can manage everything and I can do such a big event.
That is very true. It's not that behind every successful man there's a woman. Behind me, my entire success is dedicated to my husband. He's always behind me, he's always standing for me. So let's reverse it today at Jhalawadi Mahila Mandal, that behind every successful woman there is her man.
हमारा शो क्यों लगे?
I'm going to pick up all this language now.
Thank you very much. Gujarati very easy.
Shivani, now it's your turn for the bite.
हाँ.
I'll take it here.
नहीं वो भेजेंगे ना बेटी.
अच्छा ये भी ले लीजिए.
What do you want to say about today's festival? 40th festival is completed. And are you here? Are you performing in the...
Yeah, I'm here to perform. And of course, I'm a part of Amy Billimoria's team. And she's dressed me up, as you can see. I'm wearing her beautiful creation. And the jewelry is by this very talented designer called Shilpi. And I'm very proud to be a part of this Jhalawadi Mahila Mandal because, it is something which is very exemplary. It's about women. It's about celebrating being a woman. And I think all the women here are looking gorgeous. They're all going to be young brides. We celebrate womanhood, and of course, 8th of March is going to be next month. And I want to already celebrate Women's Day today, International Women's Day.
What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Amy Billimoria's creation. It's a lehenga. I've never worn this kind of jewelry ever.
Oh wow! And which song are you performing today?
I'm performing Aao Sajna Apija and Radha on the dance floor because I'm dedicated to all the Radhas.
And what's your upcoming project in 2015?
There are lots of them. There are a lot of untitled films for which I have sung. And of course, a lot of albums coming up. There's a song called Kama Sutra which is just released. Shaleen Bhanot, me and Taj from Stereo Nation just 2 days ago. So do go watch it on YouTube and enjoy it.
Okay,
Thank you.
Arun, बाहर से ले लो जो भी footage है अभी.
Parul, they started my profile. Please go down.
Thank you.
So we can take a picture.
इनके ऊपर आओ, इनके पिक्चर ये डाल दो.
Already.
I can press from here.
हाँ. Okay, just tweet all these pictures.
Hide your phone behind you. Thank you very much.
We got them to help.
Thank you very much. Next. Thank you very much.
मैं यहाँ पे इसलिए आया हूँ कि मेरी जो बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है एमी बिलोरिया, उनका शो होने वाला है। कपड़े हमेशा खूबसूरत रहते हैं, उन्होंने यहाँ कम्युनिटी को सपोर्ट किया है। मैं भी कनेक्ट करता हूँ कि मेरी दादी थी गुजराती, तो थोड़ा बहुत फूड्स का भी है। सो आई थिंक डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे आना पड़ा क्योंकि दोस्त हैं और कहीं ना कहीं हमारी कम्युनिटी को सपोर्ट करना है, तो डेफिनेटली वन हैज़ टू बी हियर।
और एमी बिलोरिया का जो कुछ फैशन शो आई थिंक होने वाला है, उसे कितना एंजॉय करना है आज के?
एमी का हर शो जो हुआ है मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया। ये मेरा ख्याल से 10वां शो है मैं देखने वाला हूँ। उसके कपड़े बहुत खूबसूरत रहते ही हमेशा। और बट आई थिंक खास बात यह है कि आज जो मॉडल्स होने वाले हैं, प्रोफेशनल जो मॉडल्स ऑफर देती है एमी अपने शोज में, वो नहीं है बल्कि कम्युनिटी से लड़कियाँ हैं। एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ व्हाट इज सो मच स्पेशल एंड दे आर लुकिंग लाइक प्रोफेशनल मॉडल्स। आई थिंक एमी की खासियत यही है कि वो हर कपड़ों को, हर लोगों को इतना कुछ दिखा सकती है और उस नेचुरल के लिए 15 आई थिंक शुरुआत बहुत अच्छे से हुई। नेशनल अचीवमेंट अवार्ड मिला मुझे, उससे स्टेशन में सम्मानित भी किया। और उसके बाद में अभी हमारा एक शो आ रहा है इस महीने जो हम प्राइम मिनिस्टर के लिए कर रहे हैं, फरवरी में भी हमारे शोज हैं, फिल्में हैं 3-4, कोरियोग्राफी कर रहा हूँ। सो आपको
Then everyone.
You have not seen.
All the best.
Thank you. Amy.
All the performance are very well. The dancing is superb and everybody is coming. And you all are dressed up very well. Some are very good. This camera thing was now done. Last day.
Camera look.
Today they are not real.
एक मिनट